Good morning, students. My name is Amit Kumar. Today's topic is acidity of alcohol. The first point is due to polar nature of OH bond is responsible for acidic nature of alcohol. Second point, an electron releasing group, that is plus I group, that is alkyl group, increase the electron density on oxygen and tendency to decrease the polarity of OH bond, which decrease their acidic strength. For example, this is the primary alcohol, this is the secondary alcohol, and this is the tertiary alcohol. As plus I group increase the electron density on oxygen atom and tendency to decrease the polarity of OH bond, which decrease their acidic strength. It means that primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary alcohol, and the secondary alcohol is more acidic than tertiary alcohol. Third point, alcohol are weaker acid than water because it is better proton donor than alcohol. This can be explained by the reaction of water with alkoxide. Alkoxide ion is the better proton acceptor than hydroxide. This example indicates that alkoxide ion is the better proton acceptor than hydroxide. The next topic is acidity of phenol. Phenol react with metal like sodium, potassium, aluminum, and sodium hydroxide, indicates its acidic nature. In phenol, the OH group is directly attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring, which act as electron withdrawing group. This is the resonating structure of phenol, in which the OH group is directly attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring, and the OH group behaves as electron withdrawing group. Due to the resonating structure of phenol, the positive charge developed on the oxygen atom, and it attracts the electron pair of OH bond strongly toward itself and thus facilitates the release of proton. The reaction of alcohol and phenol with aqueous sodium hydroxide indicates that phenol are strong acid than alcohol because the phenoxide ion after the release of proton is stabilized by resonance but not by alkoxide ion. For example, when phenol is react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to give phenoxide ion, which is stabilized by resonance, and when alcohol is react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to give alkoxide, which is not stabilized by resonance. This indicates that phenol are strong acid than alcohol. The next topic is resonance of phenoxide ion. This is the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. In the case of substituted phenol, presence of electron withdrawing group such as NO2 group increase the acidic strength of phenol. That is, all the nitrophenol are more acidic than phenol. For example, this is the structure of phenol. This is the orthonitrophenol, and this is the beta-nitrophenol, and last is the para-nitrophenol. The para-nitrophenol is more acidic than the orthonitrophenol, and the orthonitrophenol is the more acidic than the metanitrophenol, and all the nitrophenol are more acidic than phenol. Ortho and para-nitrophenol are more acidic than metanitrophenol due to effective delocalization of negative charge in phenoxide ion. Orthonitrophenol is slightly less acidic than para-nitrophenol due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which makes loss of proton more difficult in orthonitrophenol. For example, para-nitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol because due to the formation of intramolecular hydrogen bonding in orthonitrophenol. The next topic is esterification. When alcohol and phenol react with carboxylic acid or acetic anhydride or acyl chloride to form ester. For example, when alcohol is react with carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to gives ester, and when alcohol is react with acetic anhydride in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 to gives ester. These two reactions are carried out in the presence of H2SO4. When alcohol is react with acyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, that is base, so as to neutralize HCl which is formed during the reaction. For example, when alcohol is react with acyl chloride in the presence of pyridine which behaves as a base to form ester and HCl. HCl is neutralized by pyridine base which is formed during the reaction. The next topic is acetylation. The introduction of acetyl group, that is CH3CO group, in alcohols and phenols is known as acetylation. For example, when salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride in the presence of acid to gives aspirin. The next topic is reaction involving cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond in alcohol. First, reaction by hydrogen halide. When alcohol is react with concentrate hydrogen halide in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to gives alkyl halide. For example, when ethyl alcohol, that is primary alcohol, react with concentrate HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to gives ethyl chloride, and it does not give turbidity. When secondary alcohol, that is propane to all, react with concentrate HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to gives 2-chloropropane. It gives turbidity after 5 minutes. And tertiary alcohol, that is 2-methyl propane to all, react with concentrate HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to gives 2-methyl propane. It gives turbidity immediately. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol with concentrate HCl, distinguish them from one another. This is called Lucas test. Note: alcohol are soluble in Lucas reagent, while their halide are immiscible and produces turbidity in the solution. Tertiary alcohol produces turbidity immediately as they form halide easily. Second degree alcohol produces turbidity after 5 minutes. First degree alcohol do not produces turbidity at room temperature. Second reaction with PCl5 and PCl3. When alcohol react with PCl5 to gives alkyl halide and phosphorus oxychloride as well as HCl. For example, when ethanol is react with PCl5 to gives chloroethane and phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. When alcohol is react with PCl3 to gives alkyl halide and phosphorus acid. For example, when ethyl alcohol is react with PCl3 to gives ethyl chloride and phosphorus acid. Third reaction is dehydration. Alcohol undergo dehydration in the presence of protic solvent like H2SO4 or H3PO4 or catalyst like anhydrous ZnCl2 or Al2O3 to gives alkene and water molecule. For example, when ethanol undergo dehydration in the presence of protic solvent like H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin to gives alkene and water. When second degree alcohol, that is propane to all, undergo dehydration in the presence of protic solvent 85% at a temperature 440 Kelvin to gives propene and water. When tertiary alcohol, that is tertiary butyl alcohol, undergo dehydration in the presence of H3PO4 20% at a temperature 358 Kelvin to gives 2-methyl propene and water. Order of dehydration. Tertiary alcohol easiest to dehydrate than primary and secondary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol gives tertiary carbocation, which is more stable than primary and secondary carbocation. So, tertiary alcohol easiest to dehydrate. Mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. In step first, ethanol undergo protonation to give protonated alcohol. In the second step, elimination of water molecule to give first degree carbocation. In the third step, elimination of H plus ion from the carbocation to give ethene, that is alkene. The next topic is oxidation or dehydrogenation. Oxidation of alcohol involves the loss of hydrogen molecule from alcohol. Therefore, this reaction is known as dehydrogenation. Depending upon the oxidizing agent used, a primary alcohol is oxidized to an aldehyde, which is further oxidized to carboxylic acid. For example, ethanol is oxidized by acidic K2Cl2O7 into aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. And this aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, is further oxidized into carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Strong oxidizing agents are used for getting carboxylic acid from alcohol directly. Chromium trioxide in anhydrous medium is also used as oxidizing agent for isolation of aldehyde. For example, CrO3 is used as an oxidizing agent which oxidizes the primary alcohol to aldehyde. A better reagent for the oxidation of primary alcohols to aldehyde in good yield is PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. For example, this is the primary alcohol, and this primary alcohol is oxidized into aldehyde by PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. Secondary alcohol are oxidized to ketone by chromic anhydride, that is CrO3. For example, this is the secondary alcohol, and this secondary alcohol is oxidized into ketone by chromic anhydride, that is CrO3. Tertiary alcohols do not undergo oxidation reaction, but in the presence of strong oxidizing agents such as acidify K2Cl2O7 and acidify KMnO4, and at elevated temperature, tertiary alcohols readily oxidized to a mixture of ketone and an acid, each containing lesser number of carbon atoms than the original alcohol. The next topic is action of heated copper. When primary and secondary alcohol passed over the heated copper at 573 Kelvin to give aldehyde and ketone, and this reaction is known as dehydrogenation reaction. And when tertiary alcohol passed over the heated copper at 573 Kelvin to give alkene, and this reaction is known as dehydration. For example, when primary alcohol, that is ethanol, is passed over the heated copper at the temperature 573 Kelvin to gives aldehyde. And when secondary alcohol, that is propane to all, passed over the heated copper at a temperature 573 Kelvin to gives ketone, that is acetone. This reaction is known as dehydrogenation reaction. And when tertiary alcohol, passed over the heated copper at a temperature 573 Kelvin to gives alkane, and this reaction is known as dehydration reaction. The next topic is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Phenol undergo electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction because the OH group attached to the benzene ring activate the benzene ring toward the electrophilic substitution reaction. OH group is ortho and para directing group. Some electrophilic substitution reaction in phenol is first, nitration. When phenol is react with dilute HNO3 to gives a mixture of para-nitrophenol and ortho-nitrophenol. The ortho and para isomer can be separated by the steam distillation. Ortho-nitrophenol is extremely volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, while para-nitrophenol is less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. For example, ortho-nitrophenol is more volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, while para-nitrophenol is less volatile due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. When phenol is react with concentrate HNO3 to gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, that is picric acid, which is in poor yield. Nowadays, picric acid is prepared by first treating phenol with concentrate H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin, which convert it to phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid, and then with concentrate HNO3 to get picric acid. For example, phenol is react with concentrate H2SO4 at a temperature 373 Kelvin to gives phenol 2,4-disulfonic acid. Then with concentrate HNO3 to get picric acid. Second, halogenation. When phenol is react with bromine in carbon disulfide at a temperature 273 Kelvin to gives a mixture of orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Parabromophenol is the major product. And when phenol is react with bromine water to gives 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which is white PBT. Third, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When phenol react with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to gives alkyl substituted phenol. For example, when phenol is react with alkyl halide that is chloromethane, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to gives a mixture of paracrisol and orthocrisol. Paracrisol is the major product. Fourth is the Kolbe reaction. Phenoxide ion produces by treating phenol with sodium hydroxide is more reactive than phenol towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. Hence, it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction with weak electrophile, that is carbon dioxide. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid is formed as the main product. For example, phenol is react with sodium hydroxide and carbon dioxide followed by acidic hydrolysis to give salicylic acid, that is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Salicylic acid on acetylation gives aspirin. For example, when salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride followed by FeCl3 to gives aspirin. Fifth is the Riemer-Tiemann reaction. When phenol react with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide, a CHO group is introduced at ortho position of benzene ring. This reaction is called Riemer-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, electrophile is dichlorocarbene. The intermediate substituted benzyl chloride is hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali to produce salicylaldehyde. For example, phenol is react with chloroform and aqueous sodium hydroxide followed by acidic hydrolysis to gives salicylaldehyde. Next is reaction of phenol with zinc dust. When phenol is react with zinc dust to gives benzene. Next is oxidation. Oxidation of phenol with chromic acid produces a conjugated diketone known as benzoquinone. For example, when phenol is oxidized in the presence of Na2Cr2O7 followed by H2SO4 to gives benzoquinone.